Okay.
Okay,
Assalamu
miss.
alaikum to all the students and a very warm
Walaikum
welcome to
assalam.
all in our English language lecture number 9. Okay, we have done 8 lectures before and now we are going to start lecture number 9. Okay,
Yes,
and
miss.
now
Gently
this
and
is the topic name we are having.
easily. Adverbs.
Yes, we are having the topic name is kinds of adverb. Okay, we have already done the parts of speech in which we have discussed all the parts of speech. We know what are the adverbs. Can anybody tell me what are the adverbs? Adverbs, what are these? Abir Fatma, just unmute your mic and give me the reply of what are the adverbs. Abir Fatma, can you give me the reply of question? What are the adverbs?
Miss,
Yes.
adverb is a word which describes a verb.
Verb, very good. How the work is performed, it describes
Yes.
us. Okay, thank you so much. Very good. Now, so we now are having kinds of adverb that how the work is performed, work को कैसे perform किया गया है, like elegantly, happily, sadly, lazily, angrily. Mostly we found ly at the end of all the adverbs. Okay, mostly we make the adverbs by adding ly. Okay, loud, loudly, gentle, gently, lazy, lazily, happy, happily. So we just most of all the adverbs, mostly 99% adverbs are made by the verbs and by just adding ly at the end of the verb. Okay, so these all are what you are what you are watching, looking at the pictures. All these verbs are adverbs. Now we are having some kinds of adverbs also. Okay, just say we are having kinds of noun. Okay, kinds of adjectives we have, kinds of pronouns we have, so we are also having kinds of adverbs. Okay, now we will be going to discuss kinds of adverbs today. First of all, what are the adverbs? This is the definition. Adverbs are words that modify a verb. जो verb को modify करता है means to add something in the verb. Add verb. Adverb is a combination of add and verb which shows or which adds something in the verb. कि काम को कैसे परफॉर्म किया जा रहा है, it modifies, it shows or it adds something, it describes in more useful way, in more understandable way. These are called adverbs. Okay, adverbs are the modifying words which modifies, which describes a verb, an adjective or another adverb also. Adverb also describes another adverb also. Okay, एक adverb को describe करने के लिए भी हमें दूसरी adverb की जरूरत पड़ सकती है. So number one is a verb. Verb को कैसे describe करता है एक adverb? He drove slowly. How did he drive? कैसे drive कर रहा था? Slowly, fastly. और he drives rarely. वो कभी कभी drive करता है. Okay, how did he drive? Rarely या usually or normally or occasionally. So these are the adverbs which are going to describe a verb. Now how an adverb describes an adjective? An adjective is a word that that describes a noun. Means what are the adjectives? I'm asking to you, what are the adjectives? That adjective is a modifying word which is used to describe a noun or a pronoun. Adverb describes a verb. Adjective describes a noun or a pronoun. Okay, now look at the sentence. He drove a very fast car. How very is describing adjective? Because fast is adjective. Why fast is adjective? Because it is describing a noun, which is car. Okay, C. Car is a noun. Okay, and how was the car? Car कैसी थी? Fast. Okay, so this has become adjective because it is describing car, which is a noun. जो noun को describe करता है, it is called adjective. Now fast become adjective here and very is describing an adjective, so it becomes an adverb which describes an adjective also. Okay, adverb can not only define a verb but it can define also, it can describe also an adjective. Okay, now fast is an adjective over here and very is describing फास्ट कि वो कितनी फास्ट थी. very fast. Okay, so how fast was his car? Very. So very is an adverb which is describing an adjective also. Now another adverb को कैसे वो describe करता है? She moved quite slowly down the aisle. Now see, how did she move? Slowly. Okay, how did she move? Slowly, and slowly is describing an action, so it becomes adverb. Okay, move is a verb, और verb को जो चीज describe करती है, okay, वो क्या कहलाती है? It is called adverb, which is called slowly. Now how slowly it was? Quite slowly. So the word which is describing another adverb is also called an adverb. ठीक है? So adverb, it's a modifying word, it a describer, it's a, you may say it is a word that adds something more in the verb, in the adjective, another adverb also. Okay, adverbs are not only modifying words for the verbs, but they are also modify adjective and another adverb also in the same sentence. Okay, एक sentence में we can have more than one adverbs. Okay, so the adverbs also define another adverb. Now if you have any confusion or any problem in this slide, you can note down in your register or any notebook. Okay, you may ask at the end of the lecture. Now types of adverbs, we are having 5 major types of adverbs. Adverb of manner, it shows the behavior. Okay, adverb of time, which shows the time, accurate time, you may say a specific time. Okay, adverbs of place, okay, which shows the position, जो जगह को डिफाइन करता है. Adverbs of frequency, okay, how frequently, in how long duration it is going. Okay, कितनी frequently, कितना slowly, कितना fastly, कितना मतलब उसकी frequency कितनी है, always है, never है, ever है, these also are called frequency. And adverb of degree, degree means the intensity, उसकी शिद्दत. ओके, सो दोज ऑल एडवर्ब्स वर्ड्स, ऐसे सारे वर्ड्स जो शिद्दत को डिफाइन करते हों किसी भी काम के, तो इट इज कॉल्ड एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री. नाउ this is the flowchart what you have to make, what you have to draw in your copies. Okay, it doesn't matter that first you will draw the flowchart and then this definition, it's up to you. आप इसको बाद में भी कर सकते हो. Flowchart can be at the first. Okay, just after the title page, making title page, it's up to you that आप पहले flowchart बनाते हो या पहले ये वाली definitions लिखते हो. It's up to you. Okay, doesn't matter if you change the order. Now we have the types of adverbs. Now I will describe you the types of adverbs. These are some examples of types of adverbs. Like number 1 is adverb of frequency. I told you that what are the frequency ke kitna jaldi or kitna slowly the work is performed. Now always, hamesha, sometimes, kabhi kabhi, often, कम कम, बहुत ज़्यादा कम. ठीक है, usually, normally, you may say, frequently, rarely, hardly ever, never, generally, specifically, etc. These all are the frequencies which shows कि normally कितने duration के gap से the person is performing any verb. Okay, if you have any clue, any word, you may give me in the chat box. Okay, आप मुझे chat box में बता सकते हो that if you are having any example related to any kind of adverb. Okay, now number 2 is adverb of manner. I told you the manner means behavior. Behavior wise the work is performing, वो उस adverb को behavior wise कैसे show करता है. Like cheerfully, okay, angrily, efficiently, painfully, carefully, slowly, badly, easily, okay, hardly, you may say hardly, this hardly is something else. Okay, hardly means kabhi kabhar, and this hardly means मुश्किल से. Okay, with difficulty, you may say. Well, quickly. Okay, these all are the adverbs of manner. Okay, what is the attitude, what is the behavior, how the work is performed behavior wise, manner wise. Okay, this is called adverb of manner. Now adverb of time, which all those words which modifies the verb as an and it is also showing the time. Okay, now, yesterday, I waited for you yesterday. Okay, so these all are the adverbs of time. Soon, later, tonight, today, last month, last year, then, now, tomorrow, evening, afternoon. These all are the adverbs of time. Then we have adverb of place, off, above, abroad, far, on the way, away, back, here, out, outside, behind, in, down, downstairs, upstairs, here, there. These all are adverb of places which shows the time. See the example over here, his children go everywhere with him, कि उसके बच्चे हर जगह उसके साथ जाते हैं. तो this adverb is showing the adverb of place. Okay, now adverb of degree, I told you the adverb of degrees are which shows the intensity. Okay, जिस word से हमें intensity का idea हो रहा हो of performing any work, this is called adverbs of degree. Quite, to, entirely, very, extremely, rather, okay, almost, absolutely, just, barely, deeply, anxiously. Okay, these all are the degrees of adverbs. Like example, I am not absolutely certain I posted it. Okay, absolutely, this is called the degree. The word is showing degree. Exactly, okay, extremely, and anxiously, this is showing, these are the all adverbs, and they are showing the intensity how the work is performed. Okay, is there any confusion in this slide? Types of adverbs, examples, or sentence example are clear? Give me the reply in the chat box if you have any problem in it. Okay, now we have the placement of adverbs. Are you all with me? Adverb of degree, Afra Wajahat, yes. Adverb of degree, what? Should I explain it again? Afra Wajahat, what do you want to say, bete? Should I explain it again? Okay, okay. Adverb of degree means all those adverbs, all those words which are describing the verb, adjective, or another adverb with the intensity. Okay, just I am extremely against with you. Okay, against मतलब मुखालफत करता हूँ. Okay, whatever you are saying, I'm against of that uh, that whatever you are saying, I'm against with that, and it is extremely against. Okay, totally against. Okay, I'm badly against with you all. Okay, so these are the words which shows the action, which shows the degree, intensity of verb, of adverb. Okay, ये ऐसे adverbs हैं जो आपके मूड से इंटेंसिटी को शो करते हैं, और आप इनको मोस्टली we force them when we are talking. ठीक है, extremely, I was almost there. Okay, मैं बस पहुंचने ही वाला था. Okay, you are absolutely right. Okay, whenever we are speaking, whenever we are saying these all words, तो हम उसको forcefully, okay, बहुत ज़्यादा उस पर emphasize करके बोलते हैं. It happens deeply, keenly, okay, anxiously. तो it becomes natural. वो हमारे naturally हमारे mood में, हमारी voice में intensity को show करता है. Okay, now come to this slide, that placement of adverbs, how we should place the adverbs. Okay, हम adverbs को कैसे place करते हैं. Now first of all, we have adverbs used to begin sentence. Some adverbs we have which we use in the beginning of the sentence. What are these? These are connecting adverbs, you may say. Consequently, however, next, still, then, etc. How they are used in the beginning of the sentence? I did not care for her tone. Okay, however, I let it go. Okay, so these all are the connecting adverbs which are used in the starting of the sentence. Then second sentence is, that was the medieval section of the museum. Next, we have the industrial revolution. Okay, now next again is in the starting of the next sentence. Okay, however भी आपके both sentence को connect कर रहा है. Again here first and second sentence are connecting with the, are getting connected with the adverb next, and next is placed in the starting, in the beginning of the sentence. So these are the placement of the adverbs. Now we have adverb of time. Okay, adverb of time, tomorrow, yesterday, sometimes. It can also be placed at the end of the sentence. Okay, remember this thing, that adverb of time can also be placed in the beginning as well as in the ending of the sentence. Okay, it doesn't matter, but we have to discuss each and every point. So we are also discussing in the beginning of the sentence this adverb of time, that tomorrow I am leaving for Calcutta. I can also say I am leaving for Calcutta tomorrow. Okay, I can also place this tomorrow word, the adverb, at the end, but it is also okay. Sometimes we feel as if we do not belong to this group. कभी कभी हमें ऐसा महसूस होता है. ठीक है, I can also place it at the end, that we feel as if we do not belong in this group sometimes. ठीक है, so we can place these types of adverbs, these adverbs of time, at the end or at the beginning of the sentence, both. Then adverbs in the middle. How adverbs in the middle used? Focusing adverbs, जिनको हम focus करते हैं. Adverbs of frequency. Focus means emphasize करते हैं. I told you that in some adverbs we have to focus on that. Okay, force करते हैं. Adverb of frequency, often, rarely, never, always, etc. You are always late. Okay, he is never late, वो कभी भी लेट नहीं होता. So we have to focus on these adverbs. Adverbs of certainty. Certainty means कभी कभार, शायद, 50-50 you may say. Okay, so adverbs of certainty, perhaps, probably, certainly, maybe, शायद, कभी कभार, हो सकता है. I will probably be absent at the party. कि शायद मैं कभी ऐसा हुआ हो कि मैं पार्टी में एब्सेंट हुआ हूँ. तो इट इज ऑल्सो यूज इन द मिडल ऑफ द सेंटेंस एंड दे आर द फोकसिंग एडवर्ब्स. नाउ एडवर्ब ऑफ कमेंट, ऑल दोज एडवर्ब्स विच वी यूज इन द एज अ कमेंट, एज अ कमेंटिंग समथिंग. ओके, समवन, किसी को हम कमेंट कर रहे हैं. एडवर्ब्स दैट आर यूज टू एक्सप्रेस ओपिनियन सच एज स्मार्टली, responsibly, intelligently, etc. That we are commenting on their behavior, that how they are doing all these verbs. Okay, so these are called adverbs of comment and they are mostly used in the middle of the sentence. Adverbs to end sentence. Now we are having all the adverbs which we are going to end at place at the end, like adverbs of manner, used to describe how something is done, behavior wise, how something is done. Okay, he wrote the answers correctly. How did he wrote the answers? Correctly. Okay, adverbs of place, used to describe the place where an event occur. Place को describe कर रहा है. Father is sleeping upstairs. Father is sleeping on the sofa. Father is sleeping on the bed. Inside the room, outside the room. Okay, these all are adverbs of place. Then we have adverbs of time. Same. See, we have discussed here that it can be placed in the beginning of the sentence as well as at the end of the sentence, that find their ways to the end of sentence or clauses. I leave tomorrow afternoon. Okay, yeah, I will leave tomorrow afternoon. So these are the placement of the adverbs, that how we should place accurately the adverbs. ठीक है. Now see, if you have the books, you may open it, page number 195. Okay, and exercise number 17a. You have to solve this exercise in your copies also. Okay, I'm just giving you some example. Read the following sentences and underline the adverbs in them. Then list the adverbs in 5 columns. Okay, according to their kinds: manner, time, place, frequency, and degree. What you have to do, you have to make this type of table. Okay, आप इस तरह का एक table बनाएंगे in which you have to make 5 columns and 15 rows at least. Okay, 15 to 16 rows you have to make, one for heading, and 15 points you have to solve. Okay, or 10 points you have to solve, whatever I have given you in the assignment. Okay, so you have to solve odd numbers: 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, then 19. Okay, 10 points at least you have to solve from this exercise. So you will make 5 columns and then 10 to 12 rows, so that you may give the headings also. Okay, so how you have to make this column? According to the kinds of adverbs. Now, number 1 is, I could not understand him because he talked fast. What is the adverb in it? Fast is the adverb in it because it is describing the verb which is talked. How did he talk? Fast, or fastly you may also use, okay, because he talked fast. So fast will come in the column of manner. It is behavior wise kind of adverb identified over here. उसको हम as a behavior के तौर पे लेंगे. How did he talk? Fastly or fast. ठीक है. So we will put here in the first sentence we are having adverb of manner. ठीक है. Then number 2, Subhana Noman, I'll let you know at the end of the lecture. Okay, just wait for 5 minutes. Now we have number 2. She is never at home when we want her. Okay, never is the adverb over here कि वो कब नहीं होती, कभी भी नहीं होती. And this is the kind of, which kind of adverb it is? It is a kind of frequency adverb. Okay, it is an adverb kind which is called adverb of frequency कि वो कभी भी नहीं होती. It's a gap between one and the second happening कि वो कभी भी नहीं होती, वो rarely होती है, कभी कभी होती है. Okay, so this is called the frequency. Now number 3, he arrived early at his uncle's house. How did he arrive? Early. Now it is showing the time, so we will put it in the column of time. Then we have number 4, write carefully if you do not want to make mistakes very often. Now in point number 4 we are having multiple adverbs in it. Okay, number 1 is carefully. Carefully is an adverb which comes into the column of manner. ठीक है. How the work is performed? It is carefully. It will come in the manner. Then we have another, to make mistakes very, very and often. Often also used in frequency, and very will be used in degree because it is describing another adverb. Okay, ये भी adverb है, ये भी adverb है, but very is defining to the another adverb, so it will become the degree. Okay, and often will be the frequency. Now number 5, I looked for him everywhere. Everywhere is showing the place कि हर जगह मैंने उसको ढूंढा, but I couldn't find him. Okay, so everywhere will become adverb of place. ठीक है. So you have to make this kind of table with the headings of kinds of adverbs, and you have to read one. You have to do odd numbers, okay, not even numbers. 1 3 5 7 9, then 11 13 15 17 and 19 you have to solve in your copies. No need to write the question points. Okay, just give the heading of exercise number, page number, then write down the question, that read the following sentences and underline the adverbs in them, then list the adverbs in 5 columns: manner, time, place, frequency and degree. A complete question will be written in the copy. Then you have to make this kind of chart, or you may say table, with 10 points you are having. So you have to draw the table, and you should select 12 to 13 rows and 5 columns. Okay, or you may make 6 columns, one for serial number also. Okay, आप serial number के लिए अलग भी column उसमें prepare कर सकते हैं. So it will become 6 columns or 5 columns. ठीक है. Now you have to underline in your books the adverbs को आप underline करेंगे book के अंदर, and put them here in the table. No need to write the question. Okay, ये question point आप नहीं लिखेंगे. ये question it will be written, but these question points will not be written. ठीक है. अच्छा, now from today onwards we are having this presentation 2-3 minutes also. I will unmute the student. Okay, I will ask to unmute you. You will unmute yourself and give me the reply. Okay, I am asking some questions with the students and you will reply me. आप चाहें तो आप chat box में भी answer कर सकते हैं, but until or unless I will not ask you, जब तक मैं आपसे ना पूछूं, you will not reply me in the chat box even. Okay, if you have if you can reply me by unmuting yourself, then it's okay. Otherwise negative marking bhi hogi. Okay, I have the list in my hand, I have the pen and paper. Okay, I will ask with the student and only the student will reply me. कोई और student उसकी जगह answer या reply नहीं करेगा, otherwise I'll deduct your marks. Okay, और इसमें आपकी grading होगी. You will be marked in these types of question, and from today onwards we will be having this type of presentation or participation, class participation you may say call it. Okay, तो ये हमारे पास आज से होगा. Now I am asking question number 1, which is what is adverb. Okay, ये मैं किससे पूछ रही हूँ? I've already asked ये मैंने पूछा भी है आई थिंक किसी से. आई हैव ऑलरेडी आस्क्ड दिस क्वेश्चन. हु टोल्ड मी द रिप्लाई? किसने रिप्लाई किया था मुझे इसका? जरा कैन एनीबॉडी टेल मी? There is a girl, I think, to whom I asked the question. Yes, Abir Fatma. Very good. हाँ, चलें. Okay, we should start from the second question. Okay. Now, how many kinds we have? I just want kinds. Okay, मुझे सिर्फ kinds बतानी है. How many kinds? Counting में वो kinds कितनी हैं? Anam Zafar, can you give me the reply? Anam Zafar, I am asking to unmute you. Yes, unmute your mic and give me the reply. How many kinds of adverb we have?
Miss, we have 5 kinds of adverb.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, now I'm asking to I'll select a boy. अब मैं किसी लड़के से पूछूंगी. Okay, yes, Jay Kumar. Why not you? Yes, unmute yourself. Unmute the mic.
Yes.
And give me the
Yes,
reply of
miss.
question number 3. Name the kinds of adverbs. 5 kinds है. अभी मुझे बताया किसने? Anam Zafar ने. Now you have to name the kinds.
This,
Yes.
there are 5 kinds of adverb.
Very
Number
good.
1, adverb of manner, adverb of frequency, adverb of degree, adverb of place, adverb of
Time. हो गए 5.
time.
Okay, very good. Shabash. Okay, now I'm asking question number 4 with Asia. Yes. Asia, what is the answer of question number 4? Asia, unmute the mic and give me the reply. Asia, can you listen me? Can you hear me, bete? Asia is not responding. Acha, okay. Talha, roll number 22. Talha Adnan, can you reply me of question number 4? Yes, Talha. Talha, I unmuted you. I asked. Yes, Talha, you are not replying me. आप unmute तो कर रहे हो, but you are not replying. Yes.
The 3 name of a verb of frequency is
Frequency means कितने duration के हिसाब से हम वो काम perform करते हैं. ठीक है?
Is hardly.
Hardly, very good. और hardly
And sometimes.
Frequency, yes, sometimes. Okay, done. Very good. Thank you so much. Acha, then who is here? Acha, Subhana Noman. Make a sentence using an adverb. कोई सा भी adverb. Kind is up to you. Okay, kind आपके according, आपकी जो मर्जी वो kind use कर लीजिए. बेटे mute your mic, Talha, so that I can hear her. जी, Subhana Noman. Subhana Noman, can you hear me? No. Acha, Iman Rashid, can you reply me? Can you make a sentence? Yes.
Miss, I will make a sentence of adverb of frequency. She run very fastly.
She run very fastly. Very is adverb of degree. It's not a adverb of frequency. Okay? ये frequency का adverb नहीं है, ये degree का adverb है. ठीक है? Subhana Noman, you replied me, na?
Yes, miss.
Yes, okay. But you replied wrong, bete. चलिए ठीक है. You have made the sentence by using adverb. It's okay. आपने kind गलत बताई. but you have used this use an adverb in the sentence, it's okay, it's a correct answer. Acha, so now you got the point that how we will have the presentation slide. Okay, हमारे पास presentation किस तरह होगी, like this, and I am going to mark, okay, in the in your sheet where your names are written over there. Okay, और हर you may you may have in each and every class you will be having this slide, so that you may reply me whatever you have understood. Okay, अच्छा, one more thing I wanted to tell you that आज dictation था सुभाना नुमान. Yes, we had dictation and we are having dictation just after this class. Okay, don't worry about that, it will be posted at 12. Okay, it is a Google form type. Before that, आपकी क्लास ऑफ होते ही you just take the book and read the lesson, whatever the topic I have given to you. ठीक है, उसको अच्छी तरीके से read कीजिएगा, and then after 12 o'clock at any time till the next day, आपके पास कल तक के 12 का टाइम है. Okay, you are having 24 hours validity of this dictation. Okay, it's a quiz type dictation you may say, because dictation आपके level पे नहीं होता. Okay, in 7 and 6 class dictation practice में आप नहीं हैं. So I will check the spellings from the short question answers. Okay, yes Sania Salim, write the question in the chat box. आप हाँ, dictation कल नहीं होगा, dictation will be today, but it will be posted in the classroom at 12 o'clock. अभी after an hour 12 o'clock पे मैं आपका dictation post कर दूंगी. ठीक है, very good Iman Rashid, very nice that you have made the sentence. He walked home slowly, adverb of manner, very nice, बिल्कुल सही. अच्छा, then the dictation Google form will be posted in the classroom after 12 o'clock at any time till 24 hours. It will be valid till 24 hours. Okay, कल के 12 बजे तक it will be valid, वो आपको appear होता रहेगा. आप किसी भी वक्त 5-10 मिनट निकाल कर you can fill up that form. Okay, और फिर you can give your dictation test. ठीक है, is there any confusion in the dictation? और हमारा quiz और dictation will be in the same manner. We will not waste lectures time in that. Okay, quiz will be held and when it will be held. Okay, I'm telling you the time that after 12 o'clock it will be appeared in the classroom. Okay, आपको classroom पर वो post हो जाएगा. Maybe I will post the Google form over here, or maybe the link will be over here, whatever. Okay, आप link पे click करेंगे, then your form will be appeared over there. Okay, फिर उसको वहीं करके सबमिट कर दीजिएगा. You have to write your name with your class and section. Okay, with your class and section you have to write your name, or if there is same identical names student in the class, जैसे उमर है, okay, write your proper name bete according to the school record. Write your proper name when you are submitting your form. Okay, dictation ho ya quiz ho, from today onwards, whenever you are submitting your form, please completely write your name, whether your class section or roll number also, और your spellings must be very correct. जैसे उमर हमारे पास काफी सारे हैं, तलहा we have 3 तलहा. Okay, so complete name should be there with your roll number and class section. It will be very easy for me to mark your marks. आपको मार्क्स देने में, अलॉट करने में, आपकी अटेंडेंस, आपकी हर चीज को मार्क करने में, इट विल बी वेरी कन्वीनियंट फॉर मी, और आपको भी आगे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. ठीक है बेटे. क्विज अब्दुल रहमान, क्विज विल बी अपीयर्ड इन द क्लासरूम at 12 o'clock. आपके पास 12 बजे तक क्विज क्लासरूम पर अपीयर हो जाएगा. यू कैन टेक आउट 5 minutes at any time in the day. Okay, आप कल सुबह 12 बजे तक उसको किसी भी वक्त आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, इन द स्टार्टिंग वी आर हैविंग दिस 24 hours वैलिडिटी. उसके बाद हम इस टाइम को डिक्रीज कर देंगे. ओके, इट विल बी अपीयर फॉर 2 hours 3 hours. ओके, सो इट विल हैपन फॉर अस. नाउ is there any problem in the lecture? कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो you can ask me in the chat box, or should I leave the class because we are having 2-3 minutes. Okay, then prepare yourself for the dictation. आप अपना डिक्टेशन प्रिपेयर कीजिए. ओके बेटे, थैंक यू सो मच. ओके, अच्छा चैट बॉक्स में यू कैन टॉक टू मी ऑल्सो. ओके, बट द क्वेश्चंस एंड it should be a class participation time talking. Okay, because in the first group I have seen that so many students replied me, जैसे जैसे मैं उनको adverbs of kinds adverbs explain करती जा रही थी, they were replying me, they miss adverb of manner ये भी हो सकता है, adverb of time, it can be the adverb of time, it can be the adverb of frequency. They were talking to me in the chat box. Okay, so you can also participate and I will remember your names, I will mark over there. और जो wrong answer देगा उनके negative marking जो होगी ना, तो वो आपके इस marking को compensate कर देगी. ठीक है, वो मार्किंग आपकी इन एक्स्ट्रा मार्किंग के थ्रू कंपनसेट हो जाएगी. सो हु मेड द सेंटेंस शेरोज? ओके, अच्छा चेक. ओके, टेल मी द सेंटेंस, जल्दी से बता दीजिए बिकॉज वी आर हैविंग 2 minutes ओनली. यस शेरोज, वेयर यू हैव मेड द सेंटेंस, क्या बना दिया है आपने ऊपर? शुड आई सर्च और यू आर गिविंग मी द सेंटेंस? जल्दी से बना दीजिए. अच्छा हाँ, जेम्स कर्व्ड लाउडली टू अट्रैक्ट देयर अटेंशन. वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस, very good sentence. You people are very intelligent. James curved loudly. Very nice. This is an adverb of manner. Very good, very nice. Sheroz की copy I have checked and it is very neat and clean, but so many students haven't done the exercises. Okay, वो please जरूर उसको check करते रहा करें that you have completed the exercise or not. Exercise के बिना I cannot allot to the marks. Okay, don't leave right now, just wait for a minute. Okay, जब तक मैं ना लीव कर दूं मीटिंग, you will not leave so that I can mark your attendance. मैं एक just a second, don't leave. Okay, okay बेटे, thank you so much all of you. We will inshallah meet on Monday with a quiz. Okay, आप एक dictation दे देंगे ना तो you will be used to of it. Now we don't have much time. Okay, the carpenters worked hard. Very good, very nice, Asya. Very good, now you got the point. Okay, even if you have got any problem, you can ask me in the Google Classroom. I always reply to the student. Thank you so much all of you. Thanks a lot. We will inshallah meet on Monday. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.